Away from land matters, more than 180 petitions are pending determination at the High Court and the Court of Appeal. The pending cases include but are not limited to those of governors, senators, women representatives and members of parliament. Here's Ann Masharia with a breakdown of these petitions.
Time is running out, so is the tension to lose the backlog of cases at the High Court and the Court of Appeal. Out of the 388 petitions that were filed, 255 have been determined. According to the judiciary, the status of cases as per 24th of April, appeals that have been withdrawn are 11, dismissed appeals standing at 10, appeals allowed are 5, appeals pending determination are 166, all this giving a total of 189. The battle of legal minds has not been an easy task. Governors are said to have hired lawyers who work day and night to make sure they emerge victorious. Some of the governors who are off the hook include Ali Hassan Joho, Gideon Bove-Sonko, Alfred Mutua, Kiraitu Muringi, Joseph Ololenko, among others. It's race against time for the judges who are now expecting to rule on the pending cases, failure to which Chief Justice David Maraga will be expected to give away on the way forward on the issue. The backlog of petitions have become an expensive affair if its figures cited in the Kenya mini election cases are anything to go by. Those who lost the cases have been slapped with costs to the respondents, the IBC and its official. It's double tragedy for the losers in the election petitions who have been prepared to pay their opponents millions and millions of shillings. Losers in the number of petitions filed immediately after last year's polls have been slapped with costs ranging from 5 million shillings to 10 million shillings. Even those who opted to withdraw the petitions were not spared by magistrates and judges handling their cases. Under Election Petition Rule 2017 published before the polls, Chief Justice David Maraga stated in Section 30, and I quote, that the election court may, at the conclusion of a petition, make an order specifically the total or a maximum amount of costs payable. In 2013, the judiciary handled 188 out of 500 election petitions. Of this, only 25 were found to have merit and by-elections ordered by the court.